How much brother and sister I have?
One, my sister.
What's she there?
Please, I don't need to understand himself, man. I don't think that will come on either. And the video show will come on.
Yeah, toxic, you know.
Chen! I don't put that in there.
Me go check, me soon come.
Don't let me that hurt me, you know.
Hey, your friend is not me.
I don't hear me, as. And this is my dog.
And that will go both.
Broski. Really come in. She want to do a music, you know what I mean? But she say her manager, nah, go fund it, dog. You get what I say? Somebody just push her foot and help out the situation, dog. And she want you and I be your brother. Get that?
What kind of music do you think you have? I look like movie star here today. You know, me have bad people that man. What you talk?
Well, now is a chance. Is that this track? I'm going to look well Grammy because some get a run up. I'm going to run out too. So here I pray. You have a chance now to cover your face. Mass up that and come to the shoot. And if you don't want to do it, you don't want to do it, that could do it.
Doc. Right here. Hey, wait, let me tell you something. Princess, no, I ramp with me, you know. I don't want you ramp with me. You hear me? I tell you? Brother, you alright?
Watching. Them people like me that hurt me. Oh boy.
She migrate Ghana foreign for do community work.
So she younger than me?
Well, yes. You know, like, yes. By what? About 3 years.
Boy, like funny stuff. Can you imagine me the older man and me the bastard pitney?
Hot Calabunda! You is no blasted bastard. Don't ever make me hear say that again.
Okay, sir. I mean, Mr. Shepherd.
You is from my backbone. And that can't change. We never know before. But we know now. We need to fix it.
So, what is sister name?
Denise. We don't want to get her ready now.
So, I'm ask you something. My sister did get
What? Special gifts? Powers?
yeah.
Well, Fiona nose was like a bloodhound. And because she loved food so much, she could have smelled your pot from a mile out.
So, she get the smell, you get the signs, and me get the earring. Hey, what's up at your family?
And hear this. In the day with one little maga man, you know, we call him Spider-Man.
Boy, so we had down here, Jen.
Well, Lily girl, I don't want you to take this thing for joke though, you know. I want you to take this gift thing seriously and consider to use it for good. Your sister did run me from FR1. But you see, when you get gifts like these, you must always use them for the good.
Yeah, but you know, I hear people business. This have to take a while to get used to.
And also it work. You know this hears things up. You're going to hear things that will help you to help people. Sometimes you not hear nothing for a long while. But you see, when you're here, don't worry. The spirit them will guide you.
You see that part there, and that part that me have a problem with. You see that spirit part there? Cause that means that me have come and go with Duppy.
Stop chat caca! Don't bring no Duppy argument to me. Duppy are bad sitting. The spirit them are good sitting, and they will guide you. The spirit are the ancestors them that will guide you.
Alright, I understand. Alright, but it's still just
Your mother a Christian, no?
yes.
You used to go to church with her?
Every Sunday.
And them talk about the Holy Spirit of church. Not true?
So I say, me get it. Cause I never think about that as dopey, right?
Exactly. Lily girl, you know say you're bright like your papa.